Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet fingerless gloves design for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, most demanding collection, beautiful ideas, beautiful. Some are simple and some are decorated with crochet flower ideas, some are button-up style designing. If you are a student of any college uni, so this is very useful for you. And if you are mobile computer laptop user so this is also very useful for you. Some are light color uses, some are dark color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Very nice, so cute. If you want to more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is front of you, and hopefully you like this. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Very nice. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet fingerless gloves design, and all the patterns are very beautiful, new and easy. Very nice. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day and please pray for me.